Hi friends, today I'm going to share you the recipe for hot honey paneer on the crispy bed of the noodles, crispy noodles. And this is a really, yummy dish. It's a treat dish whenever you feel like eating something yummy, fried and all that. So let's just start with the boiling the noodles first. The first step is boil the noodles till it gets cooked, and then strain it and leave it on the strainer because we are going to deep fry it later on. And while it's cooling down, we are going to make the sauce for the hot honey paneer. So just stir fry the chopped garlic, 3 to 4 cloves, and then when it gets little cooked, you add green pepper, red pepper, and sweet onion chopped, as you can see here, and just saute it. While it's cooking, we will make the sauce for the paneer. So we use vegetable stock, soya sauce, chili sauce, ketchup, hot and sweet sauce, and honey. So I will share you the recipe. So you mix all these ingredient in a bowl and mix it nicely. And there is a secret ingredient that makes this recipe very yummy. That's the white pepper. So you add little bit of white pepper in the sauce and just mix it again. And we add this sauce in our cooked vegetables that we are sauteing on the stove, and keep this stove on medium. And it is cooking slowly, slowly it is cooking. Now we add another 1 cup of vegetable stock, and once it starts boiling, you put little bit of the cornstarch slurry, so make it little bit thick, the sauce. And we are cooking the sauce. In the meantime, in the another pan, just deep fry the paneer, cubed paneer, and a little bit just deep fried, and then straight from the part we just add in our sauce, so it stays a little crispy. And you just mix all together, and our paneer is just ready. Everything is mixed and it's nice and thick, and ready. And now we deep fry in the same pan, we deep fry the noodles actually. So this is optional, and once it's fried nicely, you can see it, you just strain it. So this is optional. You like fried, or you can, like, you don't want to fry, you can eat like that. And once it's fried in a plate, then now you can just put the noodles first, and on the top of the noodles you put the hot honey paneer. So what happens with that sauce, the noodles becomes little soft and crispy, so it's soft and crispy together, and it tastes so yummy. And and it's like sweet and tangy and chili, hot, everything. You taste everything. I will share the whole recipe with the measurement in the caption, so you can try it, and make sure you guys try it. You will love it. Bye.